Welcome all of you on Aapi's channel. Today we are going to solve another interesting question. If under root of x into cube root of 8 is equal to 4, then we have to find the value of x. We have to simplify it to find the value of x here. We are going to simplify this first. Cube root of 8. We can write 8 as 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times 2 and then 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. 3 will be cancelled out and this is equal to 2. It means cube root of 8 is equal to 2. So we are going to replace this by 2 under root of x into 2 is equal to 4. Or we can write 2 into x. 2x is equal to 4. Now in the next step we are going to take square on the both side. Taking square on the both side, we get under root 2x whole square is equal to 4 square. So square will be cancelled out with the under root. We are left with 2x and 4 square is equal to 16. Now we will move this 2 to the other side. Here 2 is multiplying, but on the other side 16 will be divided by 2, which is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 is the required answer. We have to find the value of x, which is equal to 8. I hope you find this solution easy. If you have any question, any query, write in the comment box. If you like the video, please thumbs up. Thanks for watching.